Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Brawl Stars on a school Chromebook. Many school-issued Chromebooks come with specific restrictions, which can make installing new applications a challenge. However, there are several approaches you can try, depending on your device's settings and your school's network. It is important to remember that some methods might not work for every single Chromebook, so we will cover a few popular options. Always ensure you are following your school's guidelines for device usage. The easiest way to get Brawl Stars on your Chromebook is through the Google Play Store, if it is enabled. Most newer Chromebooks, especially those from the last 3 or 4 years, have native support for Android applications. Look for the Play Store icon in your app launcher or shelf. If you find it, simply open the store, search for Brawl Stars, and click the Install button. This direct approach offers the best performance and integration, assuming your school has not blocked it entirely. If direct Play Store access is not an option, you might explore browser-based solutions. Certain cloud gaming services or online Android emulators allow you to run applications directly through your web browser. While they might require a bit of searching to find a reliable one, these platforms can bypass some school restrictions. Remember that a strong and stable internet connection is absolutely critical for a smooth experience, and you might notice a slight delay in controls due to streaming. Before you dive into playing, please remember to prioritize your school's rules for device usage. Using unauthorized software or bypassing restrictions could potentially lead to disciplinary actions, so always proceed with caution. Furthermore, the performance of Brawl Stars will depend heavily on your Chromebook's power and your internet connection. A faster Wi-Fi speed, perhaps 25 megabits per second or more, will offer a much smoother gameplay experience. Stay safe and respectful of your school's policies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.